Raila Odinga ameniandikia barua, a very nice letter. My dear brother, as a founder member of ODM, all right, ninakualika kwa shughuli. There will even be a dinner event on the 10th. And unfortunately, I'm going to reply nimwambie on the 10th, we will have the National Delegates Congress of Wiper Patriotic Front. Kwa hivyo mimi sitafika huko. I wish them well. I wish them well. I gather William Ruto will also be invited as a founder member, but I will not be there. I hope I've answered you. No, I haven't answered you. There's nothing on the table. We have seen that. We have seen that. Therefore, I cannot. By the way, you realize I'm perhaps one of the principals. Of course, you know that. So I cannot jibu swala hilo. Tulisema Raila akiona mambo ni magumu kule, he's one of us. I respect him, I've said that. I respect my friend Raila Odinga. I've spent a sizable chunk of my own life supporting him and standing with him. I repeat, I've spent a sizable chunk of my own life on earth supporting Raila Odinga.